Hey guys, Oblivion Bleed today, now we're back for another video on Battle Kids! Battle Kids! And today, I've got a surprise for you guys. Alright, first, let's collect our rewards. We've got, how much cat food now? 30 cat food, thank you for the cat food. Thank you for the cat food, bro. Got quite a surprise for you guys. Well, thanks for the cat ticket. Anything else? No, yep, more cat food. Oh, and a rich cat. Wow. Was that it? Yep, that's it. Alright, guys. Let's open this cat capsule up first. The comments on my last video, we went to 20 minutes and I didn't even realize it, guys. But what I was gonna say, guys, is you guys want me to do this daily, so you're gonna get it daily. As you can see, I am now on Saudi Arabia, and I bet you guys are saying like, "Oh no, Philip, you're a mad. I thought you why you skip levels?" There was nothing in these levels. The only new things I encountered. Let me show you now. Oh, there's no enemy, guys. Well, I guess I'll have to do the levels again. I have to grind XP anyways. As you can see, I've got 140 energy because I upgraded a little bit. Yeah, I'll show you Maldives right now. This is my slot. Yes, I do have Pirate Cat. Just because I feel like it and I need that extra slot hid. So, I'll show you what's in Maldives. There's nothing, guys. Literally nothing. It's only a new boss. But, let me save it for Jurassic Cat. Which can smash these guys up. And then get ready. What chump. Yeah, it's really good. Alright. Sorry guys for no music. I want to compare an episode with music and without music to see how the quality would work out. I might put on the music sometime later on in the video. But yeah. Today's video might not be with music, so incredibly sorry for that. But hey, tests are tests. Oh, and there is a pig that nobody likes. He's so strong for these low-level people. And this is when Pirate Cat comes in really good. Because look, Pirate Cat can knock back. If we're lucky enough to see, we just knock him back. He got knocked back. He got knocked back. Oh, and there he is. Alright, guys, nothing fun. Jurassic Cat level 1s, Pirate Cat level 1s, that stuff. Anyways, told you, it's nothing interesting. The levels right now are pretty easy. So, nothing that fatal. And that gets us to 30,000 XP, guys. I've been grinding a bit of XP, so we can use it on some cats and stuff. So, we can unlock 2 new cats, bird cats and cow cats. So, let's do that now. Cow cat, this is the cow cat. This is a bird cat. And we have 21,000 left. With this, guys, we are gonna upgrade. Should we upgrade the normal cat? Let's upgrade him. And we've got him to level 10. Alright. We can't upgrade our studies. We can have cash accounting. And yeah, that's it. We also have some new cats for cat food, which we're probably not going to get. Rare cat. The new pirate cat. Alright then. Alright guys, that's the XP thingy-mabobber. Alright, anyways. Got new cow cat. This is cow cat. This is bird cat, guys. Bird cat. It's so cool. This cow cat. Thinks quick, acts quick. Uses his head. Alright. Now, let's carry on with the original. Let's carry on with the original story, guys, to Saudi Arabia. I will grind some more XP later on. fine. You guys really want the music on, don't you? There you go. Do you like that now? Do you like it better? Oh, hold on. Hold on. We need to equip our cats, guys. We've got to equip our new cats. Cow cats. Bird. There they are. They're equipped. So. Now. Saudi Arabia. No, cow cats are pretty cool cats, to be honest. Anyways, send out this new cow. Need to level up. Keep in mind they are only level 1. So do not judge. Oh, he's pretty fast. He's faster. He attacks faster. Oh god. Wow, how many times can he be knocked back? Oh yep, that's him gone. Oh yeah, and he's on your macho cat case. He's just, I'm taking a sword in the pot. I'm taking a sword in the pot. He's like, I'm gonna take my sword in the pot. I need some other cats in here. Just pleading. We're not pushing enough support against this hippo. Anyways, if I can't hear me that well, just tell me, so yeah. Alright, yeah, check him out. Let's see the new bird cat. There he is. Look at him go. He's gonna be in Saudi Arabia. Let's save up money. Level the max. Wham. Let's take up the stage, come on. There you go. Worm. He does a quick 200 damage. Or so. He takes out those guys quite quick, so that's an advantage. Come on. We've got a second weapon. I'm crazy. Destroy this base. Come on. Let's hope these axe cats are enough. Right, come on. Yeah! Buttercat did it. Oh. Enemies! Yeah, we got the encyclopedia now. We've got 5,000 XP. Why don't we use it? Steady. Right. Anyways. We can, you know. So. I've heard you guys like my Battle Cat series. I never knew that would happen. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Send in a macho! What a fast one. Not as quick as I thought it would be. Alright. Come on, macho. Macho. Very good. Everybody else? That's pure definitional muscles. Anyways, sorry for being kind of dead, guys. I'm recording this quite late. I've got school tomorrow, so sorry for the really bad recording today. Tomorrow it will be a bit better, but my recording's not that good anyway. So, anyways, stop the volume. Oh, we got another pig. Please, pig. Nobody cares. Oh my god, he just took out my cats like they're nothing. Don't take out my cats. Stop taking out my cats. We're gonna call this pirate. And we're gonna send out a tank yet. Then we're gonna send in Jurassic to take care of this, then we knock back the pig. We knocked him back. The pig got knocked back. He's keeping getting knocked back. He's getting... Oh, we got knocked back really this time. We need this front line. Because Pirate Cat needs to knock back this pig. There you go, we got knocked back again. There we go. Come on. There we go, we took out the pig. Now simple guys. Let's send in another cow cat. See how he works. Boom, boom. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, there comes another pirate cat. Pirate cat. No one. Oh, another cow cat. Second cow cat. Oh no, it's another base. But we've already taken out the base. So there's no point. Oh. Anyways. Let's upgrade our energy. Because I want to upgrade our energy as much as we can, guys. So we can continue fighting for this video. I'm trying to make this video as long as I can, guys. It's just... I don't think you guys like me as a YouTuber. I'm not going to quit. I'm not going to give up. But it's just, I don't think I'm right recording Battle Cats videos. If you think so too, or if you want me to carry on my series, comment down below. But yeah, I'm still thinking of a name for this Battle Cats episode. I'm thinking like the fourth cat's wheel or something. Nah, I'm just kidding, mate. That's just too cliche-ish. Oh, that's the wrong word. It's just it doesn't fit. So I'm probably gonna name it. I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna leave that surprise. But you probably already know what the name is, because by the time I posted this, it would have already had the name on it. So, I'm so dumb. Sorry for my bad commentary, guys, but like I said, I'm not as alive as I am in my other videos. At the start, it was a bit alive, but then it died away very fast. Anyways, got 3 pirate cats. For some reason, it's really satisfying seeing we've just got tons of pirate cats. What's in Madagascar? Coming out. Oh my god, what are these guys? What's in this? What is this? We knocked them back, but still, what is this? What is this? It's a gorilla. Anyways. Oh, a final pirate cat just killed him. Anyways. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, listen to the cow cat, guys. Jack has on a secret mission. Take out all the enemies. Come back. Poor for kitty. Send in. Right. Oh no, he got knocked back. Where are those guys? Send in another cow cat. We got another cow cat on the mission. Pirate cat. Let's send in another Jurassic cat. Let's see if there's not another gorilla in the base. Anyways, send another one. Oh no, there is. Come on, we can knock him back more. Come on, guys. Yeah, we're knocking him back now. Yeah, we got him. We got him. Anyways, alright then. I'm gonna suppose some more Jurassic cats. As you can see, we're taking out the base quite rapidly. So, yeah, pirate cats, decent. So I'm sorry that I judged pirate cats, but it turns out you're decent. Anyways, there's a new cat. Wonder what this cat is. It's a special cat. It's a special cat. Cat. It's a zombie cat. Alright. Let's check in the missions. Oh, seems like we've got new mission claimed. 315 cat food. Anyways, let's go to our menu. Go to our cat guide. We've got sort of the basic cats. Got 2 more left, but see what level we can get that from. South Africa. I don't know how long this video has been going on for, guys. But yeah. Shouldn't go on for much longer. I know I'm boring you to death, guys. Really sorry. But tomorrow I promise my upload will be a bit more lively. So, anyways, bang. Come on, spawn Jurassic Cat. Jurassic Cat can do your needs. Do your needs every day. He can do your needs. 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 Oh my god, sorry. It's annoying. I know. Battle Cats. Because Battle Cats. Is Battle Cats really? Yeah, no, Battle Cats is really good. Have you heard of the new Battle Cats? God, I'm such an idiot. Alright then. We've got 2 Jurassic Cats, 3 Jurassic Cats actually. 4 Pirate Cats, and another Jurassic Cat is coming, so guess that's good. Come on, Senor Jurassic Cat. Send in this. And another Pirate Cat is actually coming, so raid Pirate Cats. I don't know what's gonna be here, but let's hope it's something good. Nothing gonna be here. Stage clear. Seriously, nothing here. Is that what you're saying? Oh, what are these guys? We already took out the base, but what were they? There were some penguins with do karate and stuff. Let's upgrade this twice so we can get more cat energy. And then we have 81 cat energy now. Gone. Righty then. So this is gonna be a lot of money for my cats, but we've learned a lesson, guys. Always send in Jurassic Cat before Pirate Cat. Yeah, send in Pirate Cat. Gonna earn a bit of money from those guys. So, got our Pirate Cats with the hooks. Alright, now they cannot get to my Pirate Cats. Even if they do get to my Pirate Cats, they're gonna get thrashed by my Pirate Cats. Because I've got 2 Pirate Cats. Now in comes a 3rd Jurassic Cat and a 3rd Pirate Cat. As if my Pirate Cats weren't OP. But they're only level 1, mate. So don't judge them. Pirate Cats don't like being judged. Got 3 Jurassic Cats, a 4th one coming. So anyway, send in this guy and a Cowcat. This Cowcat's fast and he can catch up to the crowd. Anyways, I send in a 2nd Cowcat to the crowd. What are these penguin dudes? Oh my god, there's a lot of these penguin dudes. want to know how these guys came here. They are harassing me right now. No, 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 no. Don't in my base. Don't in my base. Don't in my base. Don't in my base. Don't nowhere. Do not go near my base. Do not go near my base. Good. Good. Yeah, we built up a unstoppable wall of cats, and we've got a pig. Like, even these penguins can't get past us now. Sorry for the awkward silence, guys. I was just thinking of what to say. Anyways, we've got a pig. We've got a pig. And another cow cat. And, oh yeah. No, no, no. They're not getting us off our base now. Good luck. Alright. Senor 7000 XP. And what's next up on the list? Sahara. Right. What have we got on the list? So, 2 of those guys. Only 2 of those guys. Nope, we've got those guys, and those guys. Oh no, we've got a ton of those guys. Alright. There are a ton of these guys. But we can fight them off. No problem. Yeah. They're not so tough now. I wonder what else is here. Whatever else, it's gonna go pow pow and I'm gonna fight it. I'm gonna destroy it, but I think that was it. Oh, there's a new enemy! It's a ram! Supposed to be surprised, or we're destroying their base by the look of it. Don't think I was supposed to destroy their base this quick. Oh wow, they're trying to push us back. No. When I don't want to get pushed back, I don't get pushed back. You get that, mate? Thank you. Final stage is Egypt for this video. And after Egypt, that's going to be it, guys. I'm going to grind some more XP for you guys. And I'll upgrade my cats. And then I'll do a daily vid tomorrow. So on, guys. That's how my Battle Cats adventure will be formed. Not that good, sorry. But I'm not a popular YouTuber, so. Oh, we got a critical. My 1000th critical. No, I'm just kidding. It's like my, I don't know, 10th or something critical hit from Jurassic Cats. I didn't really count. Didn't think it was necessary. But at this moment in time, it is. So. Anyways. Just get another pirate cat. Did I get you? Well, yes, we've got another red enemy to knock back. Go. Wow. This hippo does not want to die. Look at the amount of pirates I have out there. Just die, you dumb hippo. You cannot resist the power of the pirates. Oh no. We killed her. We killed her. That is good news. The bad news is there's a freaking gorilla. No, you're hitting our face. We do not like people that hit our face. Or our face. At this point, phew, killed him. Wow, that was extremely close. Alright. Anyways. So, got our third gross cat in here. Now at this point, another gorilla will come out. Hopefully will not push us back. Hopefully. Because I hate being pushed back by gorillas. But no, I think we're fast enough. Let's get to the base before the next gorilla comes out. And then not to be screwed. Anyways, this was Egypt, and this is probably going to be... Oh no, there's another gorilla. Another gorilla. Take this gorilla out, guys. Some taking out going on. Need some take outage. Where's the take outage gone? Where's the take outage gone? There you go. Took that guy out. Anyways, got a lot of worse on the field. Anyways. Alright, this is probably going to be the end of the Battle Cats video today, guys. Expect one tomorrow, as you guys want a daily so bad. So, got 7,000, there's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Upgrade. Oh, and perfect timing. Got a new cat, lizard cat. Alright. I'm gonna grind some XP. I'm gonna get lizard cat in the next episode, as I did with bird cat and cow cat. What's an new special cats? Don't think anything good. Cats in a box. No, I'm not gonna get that. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Battle Cats video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.